Right, folks. So I'm going to show you how to do something like this in this video, and in the next video, I'm going to show you how to incorporate this technology into the app that we have been developing. So, yeah, basically, I'm going to show you how to select image from your phone and select it, and it will automatically crop it for you, and then you will just automatically change it. Okay, so select it. And we automatically crop this image and replace this. Select it, or automatically crop this image and then replace it. And then what I'm going to do is to show you how to incorporate this technology into the Super WhackAnything. It's a funny little trivial app game, in fact, that I developed, and I do the voice. Okay, so start.
Ouch.
Did you hear that?
Ouch. I get away now. Ouch.
And I also got a health bar.
I get away now. Ouch.
I get a score system.
I get
Okay.
away now. I get away now.
And then last score, all that. Okay. What I'm going to do is to I want to add the menu at the start, at the start stage. Okay. Let me just pause this game. So what I want to do is that incorporate this little a widget sort of function into that big game. So at the menu stage, you can click and upload maybe the friend's face or your face, something like that, into crop it into a small a circle, and then you can whack it. Okay. So yeah. So first, let's get this crop image function up and running. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So we got an empty project created. I named this project the image intro. Okay, and what I'm going to do is to use a photo UI to do that. So I'm going to show in Finder and use Visual Studio Code. So just yeah, just to make everything quicker. Okay, so Swift UI, and I'm going to import Photo UI. Okay, so basically Photos UI is really convenient for you to change and rendering photos. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to declare a lot of state variable. The state private var image, and this is UI image, and states is presented false. Yeah, instead of is presented, I'm going to say because I got an image picker to actually pick the image, so I'm going to say showing the image picker. Okay, picker. And there's a boolean, and so basically the first default thing should be false. I don't need to say it's a boolean because it's just why can't I show image picker? Okay, why can't I just delete this boolean picker? Okay, I believe this equals to false. Okay. Okay, doesn't really matter whether it had the boolean or not. Okay, doesn't really matter. The state private input image will be a UI image. Okay, that's good. So basically, we got a 3 placeholder for our following code. Let's continue. So we got a V stack. We got image. We got tags. Okay, so only when if our image equals to image, then execute our image, and this image will be a UI image. Image. Okay, just pass the image. Make it resizable. Make the not scale to fit. I want to crop it because this is a small helper project for my game. So and by the way, I want to show you guys how to wrangle image as well. So yeah, so instead of schedule, of course you can use schedule view. This doesn't really matter, but I want to prepare for my game project. So I'm going to make it resizable and have a specific aspect ratio, not fit but rather fill, because we're going to do create maybe a circle. Crop that first, to a specific frame, okay, maybe just a square, and then clip it, okay. So I'm going to say frame. We got that's definitely too much. I'm going to make it smaller because 50-50 would be suffice. And then I'm going to add a clip shape of a circle. Just add a circle clip on it and add a overlay, okay. Circle stroke color width, yeah. Line width, I can make it with a thinner one, okay. And then yeah, the image will be show here if you got an image to show, okay. So and the image will be a processed image. And after that, I'm going to make a button that I can select, okay. Show image picker will be true, and image picker will coming out, okay. And then let's add in not only just some padding, but also add some navigation. So navigation title, and I can pass in the title of a crop and select and crop, okay. Select and crop, select and crop image demo, okay. And then I can demo this by give a sheet and present our showing image picker. So we got a state variable, and I'm going to say showing image picker, okay. There will be a binding and on miss. I'm going to load the image. So once you dismiss it, I'm going to load this image on dismiss, and I'm going to load our image, okay. And then I'm going to call this photo picker, okay. Photos picker, the image will be our binding input image, okay. Once you are finished with that, you're going to write the load image, but right now it does not yeah, give you the correct, so it would hey, we haven't write it yet. So yeah, let's actually write it. So let's look at here. So we got a sheet, photo picker, yeah, maybe place it here, okay. I'm gonna add a function and load image. Guard input image will be input image, else will return it. Image will be input. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's pretty good, in fact. So we got a function that can pick this, and then yeah, why is not accepted? So load image, okay, accept it, and then yeah. And by the way, we haven't write the photo picker yet. So remember, we got a photo picker we're passing. Right now I haven't write that yet, so I'm going to write a struct for photo picker. Struct photo picker, and it will be the UI view controller representable. Yeah, that's good. That's good. We got a binding of image, UI image. Yeah, that's perfect. We got a function that will make UI controller. Yes. Yes. Picker controller. Yeah. Var configuration will be the picker configuration. Yeah, all that is just a boilerplate code. Okay, let me just okay. In order to save you guys a little bit of time, I just quickly paste what I've written earlier. Okay, basically, you don't need to worry too much about this. It's just get that photo library and pick the one that you picked. Okay, just some a boilerplate code. Okay, I'm going to pause this for a few seconds. You can take a screenshot, or I will share the source code, so you can like copy and paste. Of course, if you want to like try it yourself, you're gonna try it. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And then hopefully this will work. Let's go back to here. Okay, it's not changing. If it's not changing, you need to save it. Okay, you save it, you go back here. Yeah, it will work. Okay, then you can like run this. Okay, and we can select the image in Loads library, click it, it will show. And of course, it's a clipped 50-50. So basically, it's just got it like a square and add a clipping mask on it. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Then we can safely use this to change our game. Okay, so we can like upload that from our game menu. Okay, see you next video.